Welcome back. Today we are doing the rear swivel links on a Mazda 3 BL 2010. You don't need to remove the tires, but you need to lift the vehicle. Now you grab your 14mm spanner and just remove the swivel link nuts. Grab as well your 5mm Allen key so it holds the swivel while you are removing the nut. Very easy process for the bottom and the top of the swivel link. You will need the help of a pry bar to disconnect the links. Okay, now that they are removed, take the new part and compare the part with the old part and be sure that they match. Now I have decided to start by the bottom of the swivel link and then secure the top of the swivel link with the nut, and then go to the other side of the vehicle and do the same. You may need as well the pry bar. Now same trick with the Allen key and the spanner. These are aftermarket swivel links, so they are different in size. This one in particular is a 17mm nut and a 5mm Allen key. Now the last step is to torque to specification. You as well can do the torque with the tires on the ground, with the suspension supporting the vehicle. Okay, see you next time.